Welcome back. My name is Dave and this is Fuzzee Tutorials. So today's quick tip is I'm going to show you how to distribute and order objects in Picta Graphic for Mac OS. Let's get started. Alright, so we've got a few objects here, and first I'm going to show you how to play with the order of your objects. So there's a number of ways that you can do it. You can go to the Arrange menu, and then you can bring to front, or bring forward, or send to back, or send backward. Now, the difference between these is if you're bringing to the front, it brings it all the way to the front no matter where it is in the order. But if you're bringing it forward, then it's just going to do it one step at a time. And the same for sending to back or sending backward. And if you look at the key combinations here, you can see that we've got the square brackets are sending it forward and back. And if you're modifying it with the command key, then it's going to just bring it forward one step at a time. But if you modify it with the shift command, then that's when it's going to send it all the way. And there's a third way to do this. So you can bring up your properties inspector, and then we've got our alignment tab here, and then we've got our same arrangements. And you've also got some alignments. But we're not going to get into aligning and grouping today. So let's play with this a little bit. So we've got our circles selected there. So we'll just use our command key, and now you can see we're stepping it back one layer at a time. And then we'll use our right square bracket, we'll bring it back up. And then if we hold our shift key down while we're hitting our command key and our bracket, now you see it jumps all the way to the back or all the way up to the front. And that will work, of course, for any of these. Just like so. And if we hold that shift key down, then we'll jump it right back. Okay, so let's move on to distribution. So let's take one of these and we'll move it over here. And we'll take one of these and we'll move it over here. And then we're just going to draw a boxer on everything to select it all. And then if I go up to my Arrange menu and go Distribute, so now I can go horizontally. And now you see it spaces them all evenly, but it's basing it on the center of the object, not the space between them. Now if we were to take this one here and move it kind of up further into the corner, and then we can go Control A to select everything. And now we'll go back to our Arrange menu and we'll go to Distribute. And now I can go vertically. And you'll notice that because it's doing it on the center of the objects, it popped this down below. So it's just something to be aware of. Sometimes it can move one or more of the objects unexpectedly because it is dealing with the center. And also to keep in mind, when you're moving these, sometimes it's going to distribute them in unexpected ways because it's also looking at what order the objects are in your Z order, so from front to back. So this is something you can experiment with on your own. Well, this was another quick tip. So if you want to really learn Picta Graphic for Mac OS, take a look at my masterclass series. You can get the first episode for free on my YouTube channel, and you can find the rest on my Udemy site. I'm still in the middle of building that out, but it should be available soon. So check back for links in the description, and I'll update that when the whole course becomes available. So thanks for hanging out with me today. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.